In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your payment information on GitHub. Whether you're managing subscriptions for your personal projects or overseeing the billing for a team, keeping your payment method up to date is crucial for smooth operations. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to ensure everything is set up correctly. First, you'll need to navigate to your GitHub dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all things GitHub, from your repositories to your account settings. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see an icon that represents your profile, which is the key to accessing all your personal settings. Go ahead and click on this profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, you'll want to select Settings. This is where you can tweak almost every aspect of your GitHub experience, from your profile appearance to your billing details. Once you're inside the settings area, cast your eyes to the left pane. Here, you'll notice a variety of options. But for our purpose today, you'll want to ensure you're under the Billing and Licensing section. Once you're in the Billing and Licensing section, go ahead and click on it. This brings you to a detailed overview of your financial interactions with GitHub. Within this area, there's another drop-down labeled Payment Information. Clicking on this will take you deeper into your payment settings. Scroll down within the Payment Information page until you encounter the Payment Methods section. This is where you can make changes to how you're billed by GitHub. You'll notice an Add button here. When you click this button, it opens up the options available to you for adding a new payment method. You're presented with a choice between adding a credit or debit card or linking a PayPal account. For our example, let's focus on adding a credit or debit card, a common choice for many users. Once you've made your selection, simply fill in the required details. This typically includes the card number, expiration date, and CVV. It's essential to ensure this information is accurate to avoid any disruption in services. After you've filled out all the necessary card details, take a moment to review them for accuracy. Once you're sure everything is correct, click on the Save Payment Information button. This final step will store your new payment method securely with GitHub, ensuring that all future transactions can proceed without a hitch. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully updated your payment information on GitHub. Remember, keeping your billing details current is key to maintaining uninterrupted access to all the great tools and services GitHub offers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.